Hello today. I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this 4-wong double-sided aluminium foil. It's for installation at home. 150 to 250 centimeter the dimensions are. It's a reflective insulation film sheet for heat retention. Insulation to window for summer thermal insulation, for example. A DIY insulation marked with adhesive. The DIY aluminum reflective insulation sheet size is 150 centimeter to 250 centimeter to 3 millimeter in diameter. Easy to cut, fit all our needs, opaque and lightweight. It's really easy to install, and we have here premium material and craftsmanship. The reflective insulation film is made of double-sided aluminum foil and bubble wrap. The surface circle design can improve reflectivity, sun protection, and heat insulation. Because, of course, there is aluminium. Aluminium is reflecting the UV rays and all the sun rays too. And in the center of this pack, there is bubbles filled with air. That means this is an insulation area 2, which we can use for insulation. At the summertime, it keeps cold, and in the winter time, it keeps warm in your rooms or in your caravan, in your tent, in your home, in your garage, in your wherever. It's temperate protection and environmentally. This double aluminum foil has good sealing performance, avoids heat loss, it keeps warm in the winter, and insulates the window in summertime. It's soundproof, it protects our privacy too, because you cannot look through it. It can save energy and contrary to environmental protection. And the surface circle design can improve the reflectivity, sun protection, and heat insulation. We have a wide application. The window insulation for summer, blocking the sunlight, radiation barrier. Use in winter to keep the heat inside. Use for windows, attics, garage doors, walls, floors, RE insulations, and around the fireplace, for example. You can use it where you need the insulation thing, where you need an aluminium foil. Because aluminium foil is aluminium prepared in a thin metal leaf. The foil is pliable and can be readily bent or wrap around objects. The thin foils are fragile and are sometimes laminated with other materials such as plastic or paper. In this case here, it is a bubble foil, which is in the center, and on the upside there is aluminum foil, and on the other side there's an aluminum foil too, to make them stronger and more useful. Annual production of aluminum foil was approximately 800,000 tons in Europe and 600,000 tons in the United States. Approximately 75% of the aluminum foil is used for packaging of foods, cosmetics, and chemical products, and 25% is used for industrial applications, thermal insulation, for example, like here, electric cables and electronics. It can be easily recycled, that is a good fact of it, and aluminum foil supplanted tin foil in the mid-20th century. In the United Kingdom and United States, it is often informally called tin foil, just as steel cans are often still called tin cans. Metallized films are sometimes mistaken for aluminum foil, but are actually polymer films coated with a thin layer of aluminum. So you can see, aluminum is a nice thing. And it comes to a really good thing if you like an installation job at home or on the construction site or where you need an insulation thing. Use the Fovung double-sided aluminum foil in 150 to 250 centimeters. It reflects the sunlight and it makes an insulation film sheet for heat retention, insulation to window for the summertime or wintertime, a thermal insulation. For DIY installations marked with adhesive. The adhesive, it's really easy. You make the dimensions, for example, of the window. Then you can cut it by using a scissors. After this, you push the adhesive patches on it, and because of its hook and loop function, you can remove it, clean the window, for example, and attach it back. And then it is on the go, on the place, and it will help you keep your room at the summertime cold and in the wintertime warm, of course. That's really cool for installation for DIY job at home. This is the Fovung double-sided aluminum foil. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Son.